Hello and welcome to Apex Detail Studio. My name is Gaurav and these are two 992.2 911s. This is a GT3 Touring and that is a Carrera 4 GTS. Both of these cars are in for a full PPF and window tint package here at Apex, and we're going to be making sure we give it the best protection that's out there. Very special car. It's got a very beautiful spec, and this is one of those very rare GT3 Tourings with back seats on the car, which we're looking at as well. And one of the interesting things that Porsche has done is on the newer ones, these are actually single pieces. On the previous one, we'd had to go in and PPF between all of these logos and emblems as well. It's made our life a little bit simpler because the bumper is now one scoop over here. You can see the GT3 Touring baggage over here as well. We've started off with the bumpers first. So the back bumper, as you can see, is just been finished. We let this sit and we let it dry, and then we go on to the rest of the car. The roof has also been done. Now, we always talk about the pre-cut PPF and how good that is when it comes to cars like these. Now, if you come in a little closer over here, you'll see that this is the edge of the PPF. So you can see that this part is actually lifting out. That's the excess that we leave on the PPF, which gets tucked inside. So this makes sure that you have a seamless installation. There are no seams that are available, and you won't be able to see any cuts that's on the PPF as well. That's one of the custom PPFs that we do over here. What's going to be very interesting is doing the hood on this car. That's because it has these custom hood vents. To make things even more complicated, it has all of these vents over here, which will need a lot of technique and a lot of application on how we put this down over here as well. The film needs to be stretched a little bit more, it needs to be heated a little bit more to make sure that it gets well into all of those crevices, and that's going to be something which is going to be very interesting. On the Carrera 4 GTS over here, it's a pretty straightforward. There isn't a lot of issues around the bodywork as well, so very straight and very clean lines. The major difference between the GT3 Touring and the Carrera 4 GTS, for example, this has a full sunroof and that does not have a sunroof, and that's because of weight savings. This has a full carbon hood, this has a normal hood. So from an application point of view, these are the few things which you kind of need to be careful of to ensure how these things behave differently under the PPF as well. Join me as we do the full PPF process for both of these cars. We'll show you both the different bits on how we're doing this and how we're doing that. So for you, when you get your hands on your 992.2s, you have the full confidence you're going to be in good hands. One more interesting thing, this actually has the carbon spec wheels, so you can see the carbon is also on the wheels as well. We'll also be doing the interior PPF on both of these cars because these owners want to protect everything that's on the interior as well. So join me as we do the full process for both of these cars only here at Apex Detail Studio.